We are going to start our new chapter book today. So we always start in chapter 1. We're doing language arts. Our new chapter book is called Why Are We Different? So in our last story, remember we read about DNA and genes and a family that you might look like your mom or your dad. So that's what this book is all about. And today we're going to read chapter 1. This is our table of contents. It shows us what page each chapter starts on. So chapter 1, Living Things and Cells. The title is on our communication board at the top. Touch the title. Good job. We're going to start reading. Mr. Kinder is Todd's science teacher. Mr. Kinder will teach the class about living things. They will learn how people, animals, and plants are alike. All right, so on this page we've learned about characters, and they are Mr. Kinder, he's the teacher, and Todd, he's the student. And Mr. Kinder teaches science class. He teaches science. And he said that they were going to learn about people, animals, and plants and how they are all alike. Tell me one thing that they're going to learn about in science class. You could have said people, animals, or plants. Mr. Kinder tells the class that people are like animals. People are like plants too. People, animal, and plants all have cells. Let's find cells on our communication board. This is where it says cells in the story. Cells. Good job. Mr. Kinder tells the class about cells. Cells are part of every living thing. Cells are too small to see. So cells are a part of all living things. But they're really small, so you can't see them. Do we have cells? Yes or no? Yes, we do, because we are living. There are many types of cells. Cells have different jobs. All of the cells must work together. All right, so you see the body in the picture, and there's a bunch of different types of cells. And this page tells us that they all have different jobs in our body. Cells are small in Todd's body. There are cells in the hamster. There are cells in the class plant. Can you tell me something other than yourself that has cells? You can use our picture. So the hamster has cells. Hamster. And the plant has cells. Plant. What have we learned? Living things are made of cells. Cells are very small. There are many types of cells, and cells have different jobs. Good job. All right, so this is our communication board. So this chapter was all about living things, which, can you tell me something on our communication board that's living? People, animals, and plants. And all of those things have something in common, and those are cells. Good job.